Hello doctors and parents, a very good evening to all of you. Hope you guys doing absolutely fine. You and your family, everyone is fine. Now in this video, we're gonna discuss about the NEET PG23 counseling latest update. Yes, I will be discussing about the RTI, the result and the outcome of the RTI, that whether when your counseling gonna begin, as well as we will be discussing about the DNB and diploma seats. That if you're looking for a DNB or diploma seat, then how you have to proceed, how you can get those seats, what are the states division, that how many seats are under all India and how many seats are there due to the states, and how you have to proceed for the states quota seat. These details will be discussed in this video, as well as we will be discussing about some assumptions or the predictions which was made by some people that your counseling can begin this, and discussing on the complete video of NEET PG23 counseling. Before that, if you are new on this channel and if you haven't subscribed to our channel Admission Media, as well as our Telegram channel Admission Media, then do subscribe it, because whatever the latest update about your counseling as well as the states update will be continuously shared to those platforms. So if you haven't subscribed it, do join it, as well as you can join our WhatsApp community where your contact details won't be shared, because what we have felt that multiple of the candidates and then multiple of the doctors has called us and said, sir, we are getting this, our numbers are leaked, that's why we can't join it. So for those problems, we have created a community where contact details won't be shared to anyone. It's a totally private community. Your contact details won't be visible to any other people. So if you're looking for those group, then you can also join it. The link as well as the QR code of that group is already here. You can scan it and join it. As well as do follow our Instagram platform Admission Media, because very soon we will be updating about the college detail, that how many bed hospital is there, what's the stipend they are providing, what was the last year cutoff, and how you have to proceed for those seats, especially what are the management quota seat and what are the NRI quota seat. Those details will be shared on Instagram, so do follow it. Now if I talk about the RTI update, in that there was a RTI made to the NMC. In the reply, DTGHS has said that we haven't planned or we haven't decided that when your counseling gonna begin. It doesn't mean your counseling will be delayed to the August or after the August. In the High Court, in the Supreme Court, when there was a NEET PG postponement case was discussed under the benchmark, and there was a Honorable Justice D.Y. Chandrachud Sahab, they have mentioned, the NMC has mentioned that your counseling will be somewhere around 15th of July. In that they haven't mentioned your notification will come on 15th of July or round 1 joining will be from the 15th of July. They have already said in the court, and suppose if now they are going to delay it more further, or your counseling won't happen in July due to any reason, then this will be a content of court, and we all know how our justice is there, how they are planning and how they are treating with the NMC and everyone. So there will be a content of court, because they have provided a false information, and due to this particular information the postponement didn't happen, and this is not a very simple thing that they will move forward. They have to begin your counseling somewhere around either 15th of July or in around that only. That's why we have already posted multiple of the videos when there was a very big strong positive rumor was going continuously that your counseling will be around May end or June first week. On that moment also, team Admission Media has already clearly said you on our videos that counseling can be somewhere around June end. Your notification can come June end, but your counseling can happen only in the July. Before these things happen, we have already said, before completion of your internship date, the counseling will be there, and maximum possibilities is there the counseling will be before the 11th of August, because as I already mentioned, they can't go for the content of court. Those people who has continuously claimed that these are they are having very good sources XYZ, if their sources was this much strong that they can't even provide a complete or a proper info, that before this particular RTI we have already cleared through another notice of NBA diploma, in which the increment of date, the increment of seat date has been extended. Through that we have already explained that when your counseling can begin. If these people gonna help you counseling, then you can clearly understand what are the basic information they are having or what they are having in knowledge in this field. I'm not saying we are the smartest person in the field, or there are multiple of the counselors who can help you in getting your seat, but these people or this group of people who are targeting a particular state of not gonna help you at all. you can understand once your counseling begin, because whatever we have said, I mean there are multiple of the blame game happen on us also, that you are this, you are fraud, you XYZ. I'm not focusing on that. Whatever we have said, it's already on our videos. The videos, we haven't deleted anything. You can join it. I mean you can just view it and you can get an idea that what we have said and what we have happened. Now the main point is there, I mean the summary of this video is there. Your counseling can happen somewhere around 15th of July and it will be there, because they can't go for the content of code. Now if I talk about, if you're looking for a management seat in DNB diploma or NB diploma, then there is no seats. All the DNB quota seats as well as the NB diploma, whether it's in the government college or it's in the private college or anywhere, all the seats will be under the All India quota. I mean there are some states quota that will be discussed later on, but all the seats are under All India quota, and those seats having a fixed price, I mean having a fixed fees for everyone, whether it's in a government college or whether it's in a private hospital, except some exceptions are there which will be discussed another part. But most of the seats are under the government quota or the private quota. Fees is fixed already. You have to pay the fees on DNB website, and NB website will be there. And if you have to join those seats will be allotted through only counseling. There won't be anything like that in deemed universities, how the last round of counseling happened. There's nothing like that DNB or NB diploma. If your score is low or your rank is low and if you're looking for a diploma seat, then there is another option for you, that is CPS. But in DNB and NB diploma, there is no management seat or anything. Manipulation can't be done there. If your rank is good, if your rank is up to a level, then only you can get these diploma or DNB seats. Otherwise there is no option for you. As well as these seats are mainly under the All India quota. Yes, there are some private institutes, but those seats are already allotted through All India quota only. After that, there are some seats under the sponsored quota which are available for the states. I mean some states like UP have, UP, Rajasthan, and there are some other states where some sponsored DNB seats are there, but those seats are again allotted through their counseling only, and if you are having a rank, then only you can get. And when it comes to the state part, there are the multiple of the in-service quota, and there are different quotas are present. Through that, these seats will be allotted. So simply if I talk about, if your rank is low and you are targeting for a diploma seat or DNB seat on a paying some higher amount and anything like that, that's not gonna happen. These seats allotted through only counseling. If you're looking for a DNB or diplomas, I mean if you're looking for a diploma seat, then CPS is the option for you on lower rank and lower budget. Otherwise, if you're looking for a PG seat, then in India you have to, I mean on lower rank I'm talking about, you have to go either for the management seat or the NRI seat. There's no option for you in DNB diploma or NB diploma. We are getting multiple of the calls, that's why we are clarifying it. If people are calling you or texting you, or they are saying, I mean in the next video we will be discussing about a very interesting topic, that we are getting a call that, sir, can you block a seat for me, can you book a seat for me? Is it possible that by paying some XYZ amount to any person or any institute, can your seat will be blocked? If yes, then how? If no, then how not? These details will be summarized in the another video. Before that, if you are new on this channel, do subscribe it. For this is it in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.